Hey, this is Jeff. Just a shout out to Ammo NYC. I've been working on my Porsche here and some of the techniques I learned from you all. And this is what it was before. Heavily oxidized paint. Came out with this. Now there's some hail damage on here that I'm gonna get fixed possibly, but at least I was gonna try to get the paint better than that. So this is like 1,000 times better, even with the hail damage. It's quite amazing. I did pick up this from Harbor Freight, dual action polisher. Did awesome. Using the Meguiar's Ultimate, of course, wet sanding, 1500 grit first, and then the heavy compound and ultimate compound. So it's done really well. This is really good. It's my first time using this. It's really loving it. Can't wait to do the rest of the car. So, but still has a micro scratches and little teeny tiny cracks in the paint. You can barely see it. The really tiny little micro cracks. So I'm gonna do some more wet sanding and do some more polishing, but it's coming out really well. So I got this one, and this is the newer. Of course, the Challenger is new, 2016 Challenger. It's an RT. And then this is the 1986 Porsche 944. Naturally aspirated. Gonna have a lot of work to do to get this better. But